Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Andre Sutherland, popularly known as Popcaan, has arrived at the St. Thomas Parish Court after he was slapped with 5 charges in connection with an incident that unfolded at the third staging of Unruly Fest in Yallas last month. The entertainer was charged with the use of indecent language, disorderly conduct, using abusive and calumnious language, issuing a threat to police officers, and breaches of the Noise Abatement Act. When you hear all them something, my viewers and subscribers, but I want to know watch that video clip here when Popcaan arrived at courthouse. I want to just see what go down.
Sam, go on echo.
So as you can see that Popcaan turned up a court and he's actually leaving court. So he was fined $6,000, which he has paid. So I'm only enlightening you guys on what is happening, and this is the latest news. Anyway, hear this. St. Anne detectives are at a crime scene at 9 Farm near Harmony, Vale in Clearmouth, where the body of a well-known community member was found on Wednesday morning. Passerby stumbled upon the body of the 63-year-old woman in a secluded area about 8 o'clock. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see what go on? Body of woman found. Jaja, me always come out and I say, what is happening in our beautiful country? What is really happening? The year just started, My viewers and subscribers, the year just start. And you can see the amount of killing take place already. And every killing will happen. Me come over here and me gonna know what go on. No, only some. Only some things me cover. You get me? This is like, come on. We have to stop the violence and crime. We have to. It's full time now. It's full time now. But you tell me what you think and how you feel about this, and put an opinion in the comment section. The St. Andrew Central Police have arrested and charged 2 men with the robbery with aggravation following an incident at the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Grenada Crescent in New Kingston on Friday. They are 24-year-old Giovanni Bartley, a laborer of Shoe Lane, Kingston 16, and 26-year-old Romario Williams, a geriatric nurse of Selassie Path, Nannyville, Kingston. So, may I make you know what is going down on the island, my viewers and subscribers, because now robbers arrested and charged. All them, you know what? That's why I have to come out and make you know what happen each day. As me tell you, say, sometimes we have all 8 killing and them something that happen. Maybe 7-6 a day plus what we don't know. But me not always cover every single thing. Sometimes I just point out 2 or 3. Yeah, because me just have to make you know what is going on, because I know everything, even if sometimes when it come out in the article and everything show on mainstream TV. You understand me? And you know the robbery, it needs to stop. It need to stop. Other day, I come out and I say it already, I'm going to say it again. People cannot enjoy their labor. When they go out, they work so hard and feel like, they say, what? Me I go just buy myself a car or do something for yourself. It's like, even if you have a car, it's like I can't enjoy it because people are come take it away and all these things. So, the police, them a do a good job in this area. Yeah, man, them a do a good job. I may have to commend them for that because quite a few robbery go on and I see them all on them and them. All right, so now tell me what you think about this. A judge in Haiti has issued arrest warrants for more than 30 high-ranking officials accused of government corruption, including numerous former presidents and prime ministers. The warrants, which were issued on Friday, were leaked on social media over the weekend. They accuse the officials of a misappropriation of funds or equipment related to Haiti's National Equipment Center. The center is responsible for using heavy machinery for tasks such as building roads or clearing rubble, especially after earthquakes. So my viewers and subscribers, it has come to my attention that like at the moment, them not have no prime minister, they don't have no president over Haiti. So who in charge? Because I think them say a gang take over the whole place. So I never know so them have judge and all them something they know. Like who is responsible for them? So I really don't know what is happening. But yeah, the judge had an arrest for more than 30 suspect corrupt officials. Me like this. This is why we cannot wait for Andrew, Juliet Holness, Nigel Clark, Daryl Vaz, the whole of them. We can't wait for them time come and it would they wait pan because all you see them there, Juliet Holness, but she has sent over a report for go table over committee side, oversight or whatever she want to call it, committee, a waste of time because the whole of figure jail, the whole of figure prison. And you see the same way how they arrest 30 suspects, I saw the 40 thief them are going to get arrested too. Yeah man, the 40 corrupt officials, we can't wait for that day they come. Yeah, we cannot wait for that day come. So my viewers and subscribers, tell me for no opinion upon this. Come on, want to hear for no views. Anyway, hear this. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, says it will be interviewing a policeman who responded to a gun attack in the vicinity of the Hope Road entrance of the office of the Prime Minister in St. Andrew early on Wednesday morning. Two men who were reportedly traveling in a Porsche motor car stopped to change a tire when they were attacked by two men on a motorcycle. It's understood the incident happened at about 3:10 a.m. Reports indicate that the gunmen demanded that the motorists handed over their belongings. The demand was refused and the gunmen opened fire. The motorists were shot and injured. A policeman stationed at Jamaica House challenged the gunmen and reportedly discharged his weapon. So my viewers and subscribers, this was the incident that happened early this morning, and the last video I talk about it. This happened outside the Prime Minister office, Jamaica House, basically. So when you hear what INDECOM say, them are going to interview the policeman. You understand? The policeman that was based at Jamaica House, because I him other one basically, up my fire. That's what it is saying. So when you hear them say, two men who were reportedly traveling in a Porsche motor car stopped to change a tire. I tire the people then stop for change and motorists come. Two of them per motorcycle come. You understand? And I demand the people them for hand over them belongings. All them something here. Right out of Andrew Holness place. The Jamaica House. It's part Andrew Holness office there. All them something you're not supposed to happen in them the area there. Just so. Just so. Them sitting here happen. Them something enough happen. So them something enough happen, my viewers and subscribers. That for sure to say, them places look like all easy access then. You understand me? No motorist should even drive past like that right in front of the place. Just open so. So. But I just want to know what go down. And this is the update. Alright? So that. So now tell me what you think and put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Guys, I really want to hear your views on this I want to know if you just Lego in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The Minister of Finance says we are doing well. That is a fantasy, according to Mark Golden. So, Mark Golden want to know who are the we of which he is speaking. Not the people in my constituency, not the people in East Rural St. Andrew or the people in Southeast St. Elizabeth. When you hear that, Mark Golden actually put out a statement. According to Nigel Clark, or really Clark. You hear me, I call him man Clark. Yeah, according to Nigel Clark. Yeah, according to him, that they are doing well. The Minister of Finance says that we are doing well. So Mark Golden say that is a fantasy. Who are the we and of which he is speaking? Not the people in my constituency. But I saw them stay. They always come out and tell pure lie. Nigel Clark do that. Andrew Holness do that. My viewers and subscribers, if you don't watch closely, that is what they do. They come out and tell pure lie. Them just lie from head go straight down to toe. So Nigel Clark come out now and I say, them a do well. And Mark Golden is saying no. That is blatantly lie. Lie you are tell Nigel Clark. We not do no well. Not in my constituency. And there is things, I'm going to tell you some things as well, my viewers and subscribers. There's a lot of things need to be done in their constituency. Yeah? Like road for fix and stuff like that. And I'll know Andrew Holness. Now sign over the agreement or sign the agreement. You see him? The agreement them went for really signing and signing them. Like for hand over the money so the people then can get the money for fix up then constituency. Andrew Holness is not doing that. He only signed the one them were in a fee him constituency. Yeah. In a labor right party. That's all he does. He signs for fee them money so them can get it. You understand? Is that not right? You see the PNP, them suffer underneath Andrew Holness watch. And it's just reality. Because no matter how they come out, the same thing Lisa Anna was saying. Lisa Anna go and explain it to them, brought it to their attention that the road need fixed, this need for done, and they say, all right, me I go get the money. I'll share wait 1 year pass for them sign it. Because guess what? Before them get the money, Andrew Holness have to sign it. So he can hand over to them. And that him not do. That is what he is not doing, my viewers and subscribers. And these things are not right. So, Nigel Clark come out now again and I tell lie. So, Mark Golden have to come correct him. And me like what Mark Golden is doing. Mark Golden do not stop show up the one Nigel Clark, him and Andrew Holness. Don't stop show them up. Because if you not show them up, we don't know what really are go down. You can't believe that? You can't believe? The man I say, oh, we're doing well. If you stop, say the country I do well because the country is not doing well at all. On to blows and skirt lie. On just attack them something there because on want to look good. What am I going to stay, sir? Eh? And guys, if you don't notice as well, sometimes Andrew Holness we say up the road when Nigel Clark I say down the road. Can Nigel Clark say how much, not Nigel Clark, Andrew Holness say how much money they get, how much billion they get for fix road and all these things. So where that the money they go to, and now him say him go use, him will take out billion again for fix up road. But notice the place them where Andrew Holness a fix. Notice it's not no rural areas. When I have to look, and see what really are going in the place, my viewers and subscribers. This is not acceptable. This is an appear lie them I tell. And sometimes when I come out and I say, oh, Mark Golden and do this. Mark Golden is talking up. He is talking up. But members say he's just the opposition leader. In Canada, that there's not much he can do. He only can talk up and say, no, want this and ask them to look into this or consider that. That's it. But no, Andrew Holness already, he doesn't care. Because majority of the time, Mark Golden don't know what go on. Same like how we hear it on news, as how Mark Golden hear it too. And them something is out hardness and brightness. But to tell me one thing, put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share out the video, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, and if you're new to my channel, welcome and feel free to click the subscription button. And while you're at it, press the notification bell and click all. So when we drop the video them, I'm gonna get them straight away. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.